Sorghum is a versatile and hardy cereal grain that has been a staple crop for thousands of years. Originating in Africa, it has become one of the most important grains worldwide due to its ability to thrive in arid climates and its diverse uses. Sorghum ranks among the top 5 cereal crops globally, alongside wheat, rice, maize, and barley. Sorghum was first domesticated in the savannas of Africa over 5,000 years ago. From there, it spread to India, China, and the Middle East through ancient trade routes. Today, it is grown in more than 100 countries, particularly in regions prone to drought, such as sub-Saharan Africa, India, and parts of the United States. Varieties of sorghum. Sorghum comes in different types, each suited to specific purposes. 1. Grain sorghum, used for human consumption and brewing. 2. Forage sorghum, cultivated as livestock feed. 3. Sweet sorghum, known for its juicy stalks, used to produce syrup and bioethanol. 4. Biomass sorghum, developed for bioenergy production due to its high biomass yield. Sorghum has some unique characteristics that distinguish it from other crops. 1. Adaptability of this ancestral African crop. Sorghums are highly drought-resistant and heat-tolerant. It thrives in poor soils where other crops fail and grows well in tropical, subtropical, and temperate climates. 2. Nutritional value of sorghum. It is rich in carbohydrates, a key energy source. It also has high fiber which supports digestion and heart health. Sorghum has high protein contents compared to other grains like wheat. It contains essential micronutrients like iron, phosphorus, potassium, and B vitamins like niacin. Sorghum is gluten-free, suitable for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. 3. Sorghum have cultural significance, integral to African, Indian, and Chinese cuisines. Sorghum is often used in traditional ceremonies, especially in Africa. Culinary uses. Sorghum is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be 1. Ground into flour, used for porridge, flatbreads, pancakes, and gluten-free baking. 2. Cooked as a whole grain, similar to rice or quinoa, used in salads and side dishes. 3. Popped like popcorn, a healthy snack. 4. Fermented, to make alcoholic beverages like African sorghum beer or distilled spirits. 5. Processed, sweet sorghum is used to make syrups and molasses. Industrial uses. Beyond its role as food, sorghum is used in various industries. 1. Bioenergy. Sweet sorghum and biomass sorghum are used to produce bioethanol. 2. Animal feed. Forage sorghum is a high-yielding, nutritious fodder crop. 3. Construction. Sorghum stalks can be used to make building materials like panels and bio-based plastics. Environmental benefits. 1. Drought tolerance. Sorghum uses water more efficiently than many other crops. 2. Soil health. Its deep roots improve soil structure and reduce erosion. 3. Low input requirements. Thrives with minimal fertilizers and pesticides. 4. Carbon sequestration. Sorghum fields contribute to carbon storage, helping combat climate change. Global production and economic importance. Leading producers. In Africa, Nigeria, Sudan, and Ethiopia are major producers, with sorghum serving as a staple food. In Asia, India and China grow sorghum primarily for animal feed and industrial use. In Americas, the US is a leading exporter, with large-scale cultivation for ethanol and livestock feed. Economic value. Sorghum contributes significantly to food security, especially in drought-prone regions. Its demand is also increasing in the gluten-free food market and renewable energy sector. Challenges in sorghum cultivation. 1. Pests and diseases, vulnerable to pests like the sorghum midge and diseases like anthracnose. 2. Market limitations. In some regions, poor infrastructure and lack of processing facilities limit its economic potential. 3. Climate change. While drought-resistant, extreme weather can still pose challenges. Future prospects. Sorghum is increasingly recognized as a climate-smart crop due to its resilience and versatility. Research is focused on improving yields, pest resistance, and nutritional quality. Its role in bioenergy and gluten-free diets is expected to drive global demand further. In conclusion, sorghum's adaptability, nutritional benefits, and diverse applications make it one of the most valuable crops for the 21st century. It holds the promise of addressing food security challenges while promoting sustainable agricultural practices, particularly in regions most affected by climate change. Kindly subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.